Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. So I'm actually making this on my phone here because I wanted to do an unboxing video, but I actually unboxed it a few days ago, so this is an unboxing video. Uh, First off, I want to give a shout out to Ivan for sending this out to me, and I really appreciate him sending this out to me. I apologize if you guys can hear the washer. I have some towels in the washer here, but he sent these out to me to test out, and we'll get to this coating probably for me it's probably going to be about 2 maybe 3 weeks before I actually get to using this product here, but I will get to using this combination here, and we'll test it out here. I don't know what I'm going to use it on just yet. I have an idea, but again, I don't really know at this moment. So with that said, I haven't included of course the applicator that you're going to use for the coating, which we're all familiar with for the DIY detail coatings. This is what comes or this is what they sell and they promote for using it for their coating. So again, you're going to get this. You get for the app polish application, it's a red jeweling pad here, and this is 5 1/4 waffle pad. You want to use this with a short stroke machine. For example, you have an old Porter cable, you can use it with that because that has an 8mm stroke. You can use it with like a Griot's G9. I think 9mm is the max that they would recommend for a tool. So they also sent me a bottle of the Adhesion Promoter Polish. Well, I'll say that 10 times fast, which is why it's just called app. This is a different type of technology in terms of a primer polish. This doesn't have a lot of abrasives in it. It can do some light correction, but what it's going to do is it has the ability to swell the paint and leave it in that state for, I forget how many hours. I believe it was 48 hours from what Ivan stated on Eddie's podcast. And what that's going to do is that since the paint is in a swollen state, it's going to allow the coating to penetrate into the paint in the clear coat and just get your maximum bonding and performance from that coating. Hopefully that makes sense to it. And then of course we have the coating here, which again, the packaging is pretty on point here. I do like it. They have a real nice unboxing experience. I wouldn't mind seeing some other coating brands, you know, at least give me a box for the coating. Some coating brands don't really go that far to give you the unboxing experience. The other one that has a real nice unboxing experience, of course, is Armor Detail Supply with their coatings here. So in the box here, you're going to get a couple stickers, the coating, and this card, and we'll take a look at this card here in a minute. So you get the big sticker here. You get the Protected by C6 Ceramics, which you can put on your customer's car, you know, like in the door jamb or somewhere. You can put that in there. You get the bottle here, and it says Hydro is a coating designed to create the ultimate in hydrophobics. So let me take out the bottle here. Okay, and then it's the same style bottle that you get the DIY detail coatings in. I think it's a plastic bottle. I believe it's aluminum lined inside. I can't recall. I haven't used those other coatings in a while, but I believe that's what they are. But again, it's 30 milliliters, basically 1 ounce. I know the price seems kind of steep at $300, but again, they threw everything but the kitchen sink into the technology for this coating here, and so you're going to be paying a premium price for it. You know, I believe it's a 6 to 8 year coating, somewhere in that range. Again, if you maintain your coating, it can last forever, and it depends on the usage of your car. You know, it can last pretty much forever if you maintain it properly. So that's the bottle here. And I think the piece de resistance, as they say, is this card here, which is amazing. Check out this card here, man. It's like, remember your vintage baseball cards that you would get? Some of your older guys that collect the cards, but this is a metal card here. You put your customer name on it, the vehicle, the application date, and this QR code takes you to the C6 Ceramic website. And the back has the C6 Ceramic logo on it. Pretty sweet, man. This thing is actually a pretty nice touch to it. Just gonna give you you can hand to your customer and they'll be like, wow, okay, this is impressive on there. Once they grab it, they'll know that they've been treated with a real high-end professional ceramic coating that they'd be happy with. So that's the kit. We'll be using this again probably in 2 to 3 weeks for me, and I'm deciding what vehicle to use it on. I think I know which one. So again, we're gonna just test this out, and we'll check out the application process here, and then if it's not a personal car and I apply to somebody else's car, I'll see if I can get it back, and we'll check out the hydrophobics. If not, I'll have some left over I can put on the test panel and we can check it out. So that's the C6 Ceramic Hydro Lite. So I know most of you are going to be interested in this. I will post my affiliate link to it. They were going through some changes for the affiliate code, so I believe it's for content creators supposed to be like 10%. So hopefully you guys are getting 10%. I emailed them to see if they could check and verify that I am providing you guys a 10% discount code. If not, it's a 5% discount code. So you know, we'll figure it out. But either way, promo code still works, and feel free to use it. And again, I appreciate you guys using the affiliate code and the links from DIY Detail. So again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one, so stay tuned, guys.